In this video, I will tell you how to zoom any object in Filmora. It is very easy task. We have three images. Drag these images. First of all, we can now select each image and you will here see this object. Click on there and there is pan and zoom. Click on pan and zoom and click on there and you will see select there and the image will be zoomed automatically. Then press OK. I will do same thing on that image. Click on pan and zoom. Check this. Do same thing on that image. Now play the video and see the magic. If liked the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to check the resources link in the description below. See you in the next video.